Wondershare Filmora have introduced its giveaway on completion of 800k on his official YouTube channel. Rules for enter in this giveaway. First step, like the video, link is in description. Second step, share the video, and third step is comment in the video. Time period of this giveaway is 19th August to 1st September 2023. Award distribution. The event will cover 100 winners, including these prizes, such as GoPro Hero 11, DJI wireless microphone, smartphone video vlogging kit, and Filmora Plus effects and plugin in license. Welcome to my YouTube channel in Wow Anand. In this tutorial we will see cinematic intro, audio visualizer, animating text, and title editing special effects. This is cinematic intro, which we will create next. In the tutorial, here you can make cinematic tutorial in different ways. In template section, there is cinematic section, in which there are so many ready-made cinematic template, and choose any template according to your needs. Here I am selecting this template, and it's not downloaded, so firstly download and then use. It is downloaded now, so simply drag and drop to the timeline. Now, you can customize this template according to your needs and make your footage cinematic looks. These all text are editable, so you are free to make changes. Firstly, I will take a clip from stock media and then take audio from audio section. I am cutting audio according to our clip. So this is our clip with audio. Now I will apply audio visualizer effect. For it, click on effect section, and then click on audio effect, and then select audio visualizer. Now you can choose or apply any of them, but I'm applying this AI visualizer. So this is the result. Now, animating text. For it, click on title section, and then click on plain text, and choose any of these text. Now double-click on text for customization. These are presets and WordArt, you may add according to your need. Now, click on animation to add animation, watch it carefully. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and click on bell icon for future updates. So, this was the animation in plain text. Now, title editing with special effect. For it, simply click on VFX text and choose any of them. I'm adding this effect. For customization, double-click on it and make changes according to yourself. Thanks for watching.